Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to display warning when first you select product without selecting customer. So let's see about that how to work it. You can see here our module Devintelle order customer warning. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to sales, create new, and first I add product without selecting customer, like a conference chair. So you can easily see here display this warning that please select customer first. So first select Deco Addict, and now you can easily add product, conference chair, and save. So you can easily see here now not display this warning because first I select customer. Thank you.